Welcome back, everybody. We are here with our sponsors from Wilson Real Estate Auctioneers, Inc. David Brewer is back with us today, sharing details on a really great property auction in Fairfield Bay. A little bit of everything up there. David, good morning first, and welcome back.
Thank you
for being here. I was just looking at the property on WilsonAuctioneers.com, and my goodness, man, you want to talk about pristine views and unbelievable real estate opportunity for folks out there.
Exactly. We've got a 4,000 square foot house right out on a point looking at Sugarloaf Mountain. You can walk down in that crystal clear blue water.
Yeah.
Lot next door is also going to be sold separately, so you can build your own house there. There's 2 covered boat slips, and then we have a Mercedes car, we've got a Jeep, we've got guns, we've got motorcycles,
yeah.
We've got all
jet
kinds
ski,
of stuff.
boats.
It's crazy.
I mean,
it's a complete liquidation
everything.
of everything you could want.
And you know what I love about this house? If folks go online and check out some of the pictures,
Yeah,
and we might have some here to show to you, but the utilization of the windows to really bring the light in and show off that beautiful property around on the point, like you said, which you just can't beat.
Unobstructed view right out there on the point. You can even pull around back. They got a little grilling, barbecue patio area on the backside right down towards the water.
Yeah, they do, really, with TVs and everything.
TVs, a whole grill inside. I mean, it's a great spot.
It is one of the coolest spots I've seen in a long time, and an opportunity for you guys out there. Sale regardless of price, right? Everything's
selling, and all of it's up online already. You can actually go right now to Wilson Auctioneers, click on to the bidding link, and you can start bidding on all of the merchandise, everything that's there, and you don't have to wait. Another good thing is this afternoon, Spencer Wilson, one of our agents, will be up there from 2 to 5, and then tomorrow from 10 to noon, I believe, and then we got an open house on Sunday. So you can go out there, look at the items, look at the real estate, look at all of it, see what you want to bid on, and place your bids on your phone. You can go back to Little Rock, place your bids there, or come to the auction, Fairfield Bay, on July 26th.
It's got to be so beneficial for folks out there to know and go out there ahead of time, take advantage of this opportunity.
Absolutely,
right?
and just go out there and look at a beautiful piece of property. It's one of the best point lots that you're going to see on that lake. It's just incredible.
And that lake, by the way, was just featured in Garden and Gun magazine in the June-July issue. I mean, it's one of the best lakes in the country.
When our photographer first went up there and did the drone shots, he sent it to me, and he said, "This is unedited." I was like, "That's unbelievable." I was like, that looks like the Caribbean or something like that, but it is really a nice spot.
Okay, so whenever I was on the website, I was scrolling through. I had to scroll down quite a ways to get that one, because you guys have so many auctions going on.
We were supposed to have one in about 30 minutes.
I was about
the property
to say,
already sold.
Oh, did it really?
So we're not having one today, but we got about 25 auctions coming up over the next 60 days.
Wow.
We're in Batesville tomorrow. We're in Nashville, Arkansas on Friday. Next week we have Dardanelle. We've got Little Rock, Fairfield Bay, Conway. We're all over the state. So if there's something you're looking for, maybe I'm looking for a lake house on Hamilton, Greers Ferry, wherever you're looking for a property, go on our website. We may have something for you.
You know, in your commercial, we hear from folks who have used you guys before for an auction for their home, and just talking about, we can't fit every single customer that you guys have serviced, but tell us what the folks out there who have utilized the services before have to say about what this does for them.
Absolutely. Like the lady we're selling for at Greers Ferry Lake.
Yeah.
You know, she's moving to Benton to be with her son and be closer to her loved ones. And so she decided, hey, one day I can sell my real estate. I can sell everything that I don't want to take with me. I can sell a couple of the cars I don't need. I don't need these boats anymore. All in one day at one time to cash buyers. It's all going to be sold, and she doesn't have to do anything. We do it all for her. So it's a great service that a lot of our clients utilize when they're ready to liquidate a property, turn it into cash, and move on to the next chapter of their life.
A carefree way to do it.
Well, it's hands off for them.
Hands off,
I mean, we told her, go get the items you would like out of the home. Everything else, we handle it, we stage it, we get it ready, we do the pictures. There's nothing that they have to do.
Is there a registration process for bidders out there? What do they need to do?
Absolutely. Go to the website, go to Wilson Auctioneers. There's a couple different links. They're all over the place. It's the same links going to the same location, but several links on there that they can get registered for that auction, and go ahead and start bidding right now. I mean, if you're looking for a new hunting rifle for this season, we've got several shotguns, we got rifles. There's no telling what you might be looking for that we have in this auction.
Yeah, I was going through the video, and as we're going through it now, you went through all the cars. We don't have time to show you the whole thing.
Is absolutely clean.
Beautiful.
I mean, it's got the hard top and the soft top. I mean, it's really
the deck boat, the pontoon, everything there. But once you get down to the firearms section, it seemed endless at one point. There's quite a collection that they had at this place.
Most of them are never been fired. Really? In the boxes. They've been in 2 large gun safes and been very well stored, so they're in immaculate condition.
Well, that's what you want. And some of them look like classics, too, which, collectors out there would love to get their hands on for sure. Now, for the other side, for folks like the ones we hear from in the video and this lady up in Greers Ferry Lake, how would they go about contacting you guys to set up something like this where they can take their hands off of it and put it in the hands of the professionals?
The best thing to do is call the office. When they do, we have agents literally scattered now from Fairfield, North Little Rock, Conway, Pine Bluff, and Hot Springs. So we have agents all over the state. So depending on where they are, what kind of property they have, we match them up with the right agent that'll do a great job for them. And we come out, visit you. It doesn't cost you anything, obviously, for us to come out, take a look at your property and say, hey, an auction's going to work, or an auction is probably not going to work for you. And then at that time, they make the decision, and in 30 days, their property's sold, and 30 days from then, their property's closed.
Okay.
So it's a quick deal.
All right, quick deal.
Sir.
Make sure you take advantage of these quick deals, folks, because you got plenty of opportunities, and they've got some great ones on their website. Go to it today. Sign up ahead of time. Get registered. Go bid. And like David was talking about, you can go see these properties ahead of time. The time and details are on the website, so go and check it out, WilsonAuctioneers.com. David, great to see you as always.
Yes, sir.
Congrats on a property sold before the auction even began today. All right.
Absolutely.
Coming up next after the break, we're going to check on your forecast. Stay tuned.